Let's study something until you become a neonatologist. So this one is going to be a baby that has not stooled on newborn nursery in the first 48 hours of life, haven't even seen a little sign of poop. So infant's brought down for abdominal x-ray, looks a little bit distended but nothing crazy, so you decide to order a barium enema. This is a handy x-ray because there is the positive arrow sign, which is usually a dead giveaway as to what this is. So you see this on barium, and those arrows are pointing to the transition point between the sigmoid colon and the rectum, and this is Hirschsprung's disease. So there is no nerves in this portion of the colon, which is why the baby isn't stooling, and that will be all backed up with stool. Hirschsprung is a congenital disorder in which there are no nerves in the bowel, and the severity can vary between the babies. Sometimes it's just a small portion of the bowel, other times it's the entire colon. Barium enema is diagnostic in about 75% of cases, but the true gold standard is a rectal biopsy to get a sample of the colon and to look at the nerve cells themselves. Treatment, unfortunately, is surgery. So if it's a small segment, they can remove just that small segment. If it's a larger segment, they will remove the larger segment. But there is nothing you can do when the bowel itself is missing the cells. Babies don't always present right away. If it's a small segment, you may actually just have constipation through childhood, and it could be a very mild case of Hirschsprung's and just a small portion of the bowel. But it's something that we see, and that is something that we worry about when a baby hasn't stooled on the floor after the first 48 hours.